Knight Leo has trained his whole life for this moment, facing the most dangerous dragon in the kingdom. He charges into the dark cave, sword ready, heart pounding. But then, achoo! A massive sneeze echoes through the stone walls, and flames shoot everywhere. Leo realizes the truth. This mighty dragon isn't mean. He's out of cold. Instead of fighting, Leo does something unexpected. He makes the dragon a warm cup of healing herb tea. The dragon takes a sip, and his eyes fill with happy tears. He's never had someone care about him like this. From that day on, they become the best of friends. Sometimes the bravest thing a hero can do isn't swing a sword. It's show somebody kindness when they need it most.